Whoa!
Jesus.
What was that?
This Jeep feels a bit weird, to be honest with you. Is that a goat?
There's a car in front of us. I think we're chasing someone. Oh, you almost killed him.
It's good.
I'm not drowned, man. Is this where we're going?
It's 13 kilometres that way, yeah.
Is this even gonna even make it?
Of course it. What is that?
What the hell?
Cyber
It's a robot.
drone rally cost.
Oh!
The edge is out, Sam.
Oh, just keep going.
Get out, get out. The edge is out.
Oh, fire. Ah!
Oh, they shoot rockets.
What the hell?
Get out of there. 2 bikes up here, sir. Quick. Oh, I think he blew it up. Great. Holy shit. There might be guys up here though.
Damn, it's yellow.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I can't even climb this hill.
People shouting. A police drone. Oh shit. Oh, there's a bloody minigun up there.
I got him. Does he go in the house?
My guy's slow healing. Up the hill.
How do you heal?
You switch to the heals you got on alt and then you press G. Get in.
There's some hostages in that building. Oh my god, grenade. Hey, he's got rockets on the ship.
Where is he? Bottom. Ah, civilian killed him.
Yeah, there's loads of civilians in that building.
Whatever. It's not even the
How
objective
are they
right
chucking
now.
grenades that far?
I'm down. What was that beep? What does that mean? I don't like it. I'll set you down and then I'll do some sweet strafing runs, okay?
Put me on the crane.
Okay.
Yeah, put me on that middle crane.
They see me though. Go.
Oh.
Go.
I'm trying.
Eat.
Where's the sideways one? I'm out.
There's definitely people here. Yeah.
Oh, they killed you.
They need 2 shots. They could have got us at the crane.
Do I have to pick you up?
Nah, I respawned. How about this?
Oh, you got. Oh.
Oh, here he is. That was not in the circle that was telling me to look at.
What are you doing here? Why are you working with Sentinel? And don't bullshit me. I know all about you.
Oh, what is it you think you know?
I know you're not just here to help Sentinel. So what else are you here for?
I also came to help out an old friend. I believe you two already know each other. From Bolivia.
You mean...
Listen, I think you're better off talking to our friend. I'm just here to help. He can fill you in on all the juicy stuff. Now, I can't get any comms off Aroa, but this works on the island. It'll put the 2 of you in contact and tell you his last position.
I appreciate the intel.
Now get moving. This whole operation goes to shit if we're seen together.
Dangerous area.
Alright. These people come up the road, I see. Okay.
Well, hang on, there's a red truck. Come on. There's a plane
Get
coming
inside.
towards me.
Oh no, they're saying drones are this now.
I got it. Who are these people?
Why's my scope all red?
It's because there's flare behind us.
It's
This is
not
on,
trees
so I don't
now.
have to do it.
Hopefully not.
Has it got sound?
I don't know.
Did he go over that ditch?
Oh. No one said this was 140 dangerous areas.
Well, this doesn't even look like where I started last.
Oh my god, another ditch. Why is there a Django in the way?
Matchwood. Good to see you again.
I used to be Matchwood a long time ago. Call me Deep Blue now.
The car behind us, probably.
Roger that, Deep Blue. Now, I don't know what you're doing on the roll, but I'm here to
Is
help.
it?
I'd take your help.
Yeah.
How is this hellhole of an island?
Oh, I didn't know there was stuff here.
That's just like
Get
Mexico, only it sucks more.
Amen.
I can't, the door's stuck. Oh, he killed me.
They can see through the smoke just fine. Oh, I made it.
Maybe you can't.
Alright, I'm at the door. Mine's getting in the cutscene, is yours?
Yeah, except it's me this time.
Looks like you've still got your mojo.
Oh, he's
Like you haven't
old.
got shot since Bolivia.
Yeah, you and me both. So what's the plan?
I never did
Watch
play
my
this
back.
split stuff.
I need to retrieve some data.
First splits have you ever played, isn't it?
So,
Yeah.
what brings the mighty Sam Fisher to a roll?
Wasn't
I'm
he
after
in...
someone called the Strategist. He's been linked to several
Rainbow
kidnappings
Six.
around the world. All military specialists.
Siege, but as a
We don't
skin?
know what he's up to, but we know he's here on this island. If I
Maybe.
can get him in front of Congress, they should be able to authorize an invasion of Aroa.
So they'll finally send in the cavalry.
Right. For now, it's
Hey,
just us.
Discord's changed its symbols and I didn't ask
Go
for
take
it
a
to be
look.
on screen. What the hell?
Midas. Tough son of a bitch. You really can't survive anything.
This could
But
be in
we
the
won't
footage
if we
now,
don't
damn.
get moving. Sentinel will know someone accessed this computer and they'll come looking.
Tell me the dark. Where are you?
I'm on the roof.
This bot is just going back and forth in front of me while I was trying to shoot. Oh, he's come up again. No, get out of my shot.
They're all dying like you two are like amazing. It's like,
With me.
Follow him.
follow me, he's not going anywhere.
I'm not going to cover you, Sam.
I have to be down there? Is he following me? Oh, there.
We're all following you, Sam. It says cover Sam. Follow Sam the vehicle. Didn't say Sam Fish, just says Sam. It's you.
Where's that vehicle? This vehicle.
That's the green one. Look at
Get
that.
on that
Oh, wow.
turret. I'll get us out of here.
Get on there. Oh, I got a tank one. You don't.
Is he a driver?
Yeah,
Oh, he is.
apparently. Let's see how good he is.
There's a helicopter. It's a bit slow. Huh?
Easy.
Oh, my car's blown up.
Yeah, he's driving away from you.
No,
You can't have to get shot.
I'm big.
You shoot his heli so it falls on you. Where the hell's he
my
going?
God.
He's zigzagging.
I almost got run over twice. I've got broken leg.
Man, I'm a good shot. Ah, he almost killed me inside the car.
And about Midas.
The strategist has
Oh, I'm gonna put the car around. You go around in circles.
He is kind of, yeah.
Involved in this project.
It's not clear. All I know is the strategist is working.
He's a slow ass driver, this guy.
Can I catch up?
We're parking at a shed.
I'm following a deer.
Objective complete. Talk to Sam. Hey Sam, what are you doing?
What do you think the
God.
strategist is up to? Why does he want Midas?
I wish I knew, but you can bet your ass they're putting the screws to him.
I just
make
got
that
deer.
son of a bitch pay. And pay hard.
Don't worry, you'll pay. But first I need him alive and off this island so he can stand tall before the man.
How do you plan to do that? My team tried to come in on choppers and they took us out with a drone swarm. Nothing gets in or out.
I have an aircraft on standby, ready to come in. I'll figure out how to get it past that drone swarm. Every lock can be picked. Now the strategist has Midas, but I can't take him down alone. You help me catch him, and I promise, he'll lead us to your guy.
Partner up, huh? And why not? Worked in Bolivia.
I got a location on some new intel. Need to be sneaky on this one, which means you're going to have to master some new tricks. Echelon tricks. You're ready. Meet me at the rendezvous point. We'll get started from there.
Did we do a mission with him in Wildlands? We might want to find a heli somewhere. You're not on
shit.
the floor here.
He's made me slide down there here and stuff.
Come on in.
There's a car here if you want it.
Keep going.
Oh,
Why is this? You barely even touching the ground here.
we get a boat, don't worry.
This is all synced up. That boat is in like a little lake. That's not going to get us anywhere.
Yeah, but there's got to be a boat down there.
Sam Real knows how to slow down the game, doesn't he?
Oh, that's fine.
Do we even have a parachute, Sam?
You can just roll down this, it's fine.
Oh, this looks stupid, doesn't it? Oh, I hear a helicopter staring at us.
Well, the boat driver went. You said you can shoot helicopter. Helicopter, that's fine.
You can?